Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check message requests in Tango. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Tango application. Now click on the chats option in the bottom right corner. Here, click on the message request icon just beside the search icon. And here you can view all the messages that were requested to you. So that is how you can check message requests in Tango. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.